Are you looking for homes for sale in Corona, California? 1047 Altaloma Drive, Corona, California 92882. This 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom, 2,000 square foot home has so much to offer. You will love the open floor plan. It features a formal living room with fireplace, ceiling fan, and plantation shutters. The kitchen features a dishwasher and double oven with plenty of cabinets for extra storage. The family room has a sliding glass door that leads you into the backyard and puts you in the middle of entertaining your guests for summer barbecues. The master bedroom has an attached ensuite master bathroom. It has 2 closets, one in the bedroom and one in the bathroom. It also has a shower. Bedroom 2 has its own full bathroom as well as a closet. And bedroom 3 has a closet and a ceiling fan. There is also a guest bathroom with shower. The backyard has a covered concrete patio that is ready for you to sit, relax, and enjoy our wonderful Southern California weather. It is move-in ready and truly an entertainer's delight. This property includes an attached 2-car garage with remote control opener. All this and conveniently located minutes from schools, shopping, and freeways. No HOA and low tax base. Let us make this beautiful house your home. Please call us today at 951-907-4020.